Here I have a scenario set up to where I'm laying pavers. But anytime you have pavers and you're going in a circular motion, you're going to have gaps between your pavers because your pavers are cut square. So here I need to figure out the gap between this so I can make my cut. Well, with MyQuickFingers, all I have to do is simply take out a few spacing fingers. I would then lock my angle gauging arm back in to where I've got my spacing fingers here. All I do is take my spacing fingers, stick in between the gap. And with MyQuickFingers, I know whenever it touches, I've got the exact gap between the pavers. I would then stick the gap on the paver that I'm going to be cutting and make a mark here. And then I would take my QuickFingers, flip it around, and go from edge to edge and draw a straight line across. This will be the mark that I'm having to cut with the saw. But after I make the cut, with pavers, you have lips that make you have an 1/8 of an inch gap. You're supposed to have an 1/8 of an inch gap in between pavers for the sand to go in. Well, here you can tell I've made the cut, but it's actually too close to the pavers for the sand to get in. But all I have to do is simply take one of my spacing fingers and slide it down in between the pavers, and I'll know I've got an exact 1/8 inch gap between pavers every time.